and this ya pan yes potential say chama wontumi nya ni sika no odi ya adwuma e wo Ghana manmu e ma Ghana fo nya mfaso so amfa nkwa ma no ne ankoto dan ama ne yire ne na busuamfo. So why should they have to do this to him? Sanso even Sankama say Mahama and his Goro boys appointees have indeed short memory, my brother. Yes, they don't know what they are doing to themselves. Gerard the Bimo say, but rather employ many Ghanaians with his money. We shouldn't crucify ourselves. So nipa nia any nipa. We should be very careful. We should be very careful. You the even Nigerians did not crucify Dangote. You see, that's right. Dangote, yenye hwe oho. Or you have tax invasion, we allow him because of employ many people. Gerard, you see, neither did we turn our backs on our very brother Ibrahim Mahama. We all supported him. Ibrahim and pray for him to progress more. And we love him, even JM. Let's be very, very careful. We shouldn't crucify ourselves. We all Ghanaians and we love each other very much. Love for all. The South African did not crucify Aaron Maxwell. That is it. We a message from Gerard John Kennedy. And I didn't say we buy say any coin say a teach wound to me just because of idea on your ye na politics intino ye the number 2 ahochre ene ahohiahim. Abu say ento aso ne enko yanim na yemfa chama wound to me asemi ento ho na yemfa asem fufuro. And this ya ban say ene their priority and say omo besisi tribuna ehona na akoye say akwesa ahemfie bi saa betenya ahemfie eye ba bia mpanfo omo area ho omo kwotena asem so na omo di asem ti ho no. It is not about law, it is about emotion. At the end this aban say na omo kwa kosisi court dan ahodo tribunals ewo all the districts in the country enye court enye mra na edidi asem ho emotion edikodi asem enti e bechichi amanfo agumbasabasa because mra enye adwuma ho we na yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad bawumia ba abonte na the strong warning ababa Mahama say we ohun ye and the wo ye no it is destroying the reputation and the democracy that Ghana has built in all these years. Yenti yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad bawumia ne message of the man John Mahama efri ho ye ba ye debate kakra ne ye biefo na asinatum yenko emra sisia.
Hello, fellow citizens. I speak that has the potential to reshape our justice delivery system, introduce tribunals into Ghana's judicial system. Last week, Parliament passed the Tribunals Bill 2026. The mandatory one-day interval between the consideration stage and the third reading was waived so that the bill could be passed on the same day. The minority's objections were voted down. Organized labor objected loudly and publicly, but was ignored. The bill will soon be transmitted to the President for his assent. I have one respectful request of President Mahama. Mr. President, do not assent to this bill. Pause and let the nation ponder and deliberate on this very important matter. This is not a partisan request. The Trades Union Congress, the voice of millions of Ghanaian workers, has called for the bill to be withdrawn altogether, warning that in its current form, it could become a potent tool for weaponizing justice delivery. Those are the words of Ghanaian workers, not of any political party. Consider also the government's own process. The President established the Constitution Review Committee, and it reported last December This committee recommended removing regional tribunals from the Constitution because the High Court has long carried their caseload. Yet, the report of the committee has not been published. Before the nation has even read it, Parliament has rushed through and legislated in the opposite direction. Mr. President, publish the report first. Above all, Mr. President, reflect on the historical antecedents of the public tribunal system. Under this bill, panels that include persons who are not lawyers may sit in judgment over criminal matters. Ghanaians remember tribunals, and we remember what was done in their name. Our courts are congested, yes, but the answer to congested courts is to strengthen the courts. More judges, more courtrooms, and digitized processes. It is not to build a second system of justice. Mr. President, your government commands one of the largest majorities in the history of the Fourth Republic. With such numbers, Parliament can pass almost any bill it wishes. Not everything that can be passed should be passed. The larger the majority, the greater the duty of restraint. History will not ask how many votes a law received. It will ask whether the law is just, equitable, and seeks to promote and protect the interests of Ghanaians. My call is therefore simple and constructive. Withhold your assent. Convene genuine national engagement. Invite the Ghana Bar Association and other lawyers groups, organized labor, civil society, and the political parties, including my own. We will come in good faith and consult the judiciary itself, the institution that must live with whatever Parliament creates. Justice belongs to no government and no party. It belongs to the Ghanaian people, and a law that reshapes the architecture of justice should rest on national consensus, not on head count. Mr. President, the pen is in your hand. Use it not to assent to this bill, but write an invitation to the nation through the Council of State in accordance with Articles 90 and 106 of the 1992 Constitution. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Thank you.
Eura, ordene honim de focus here. Aye. Dr. Bawumia, can't you mahama say? And the sa intentional better ni team say they want to create something in tribuna. A Rollins Bresune bi wo ho. Yenim say yedi sa kwan no so far so chichi nipa gu mu ana eso ne mfa so there was no reason. Because tribuna na nye court a mranim difo na te ho mu bu asem o. Yes sa nkrofo like that. Na de o ma court na ho. Enti se wasem ba ye the emotions in eba be decided. Ade bi atise no, it is changing of the constitution because the country called Ghana has been working with judgment, judicial system na ye di bua for ewe maimu. Wuntumi nkofa different man na bi ma ese ode ba be ya ade. Ade a eye backwards eye ade dada ye ko mu a ye hu se ehun hia a ye twe ye hu firi ho before 1992. And now 2026 we are going back to that era. Era ye nyina nim se amfa sudie bi amra yen. Amfa atentene na titiro bi amra yen. Na mom atentene na de ba ye nyina na ye without any proper judgment. Why should we have to go there? And then I hear about Miekano, or say Mahama, and now I know say in Parliament hall, more the super majority being sida in the history of the Fourth Republic. enam sa asunti no wo tumi say obetumi pass every law in the country. But remember say ye wo nema nyina ho akwanja ye wo nema nyina ho kwane but nye ni nyina na ye yo. Enti say person fa tribunal mra ka mu say the judicial system in the country does not belong to mu NDC for nkwa. So you must involve the whole country, because this is a change in judicial system. I am very sacrosanto. There's also very, very, very sensitive. It shouldn't be an agreement between only NDC people. It should be a collective decision from all the people in the country. Now, nyansani kasano. Now, Korinsani tibabi no monsan fine yasem. The tribunals will remain there. Say the Yoruba Miaka, judgment does not lie in the hands of any political party, but it always remains in the hands of the Ghanaian people. It is a ban some more qua mobe conso, but they are 20 years. Mobe firiso. Mufirisoa, you will give back those things to the people, and the people will use it against you. So Yansan this for. Amodi abo sa chom boy for na ndisi for na mudi akira mo bo mo nsam tribunal na ya adepa no ye de be chi MPP for agum no e de amoso mo free power you will also come back and taste what you have left. Abusan for me de mo be sia ma bie phone lines na to mo so tumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wa dwen me din any Ras Media me so say like video no share ma me comment on subscribe on so na wa subscribe our YouTube, no was on Facebook and TikTok, Ras Media GH. Abusia, me can say Mitchell. Me say, uye Ghana niya uti Italy maimu, and ye Ghana niya uti abrochi maimu. Na upe se wenye business wa Ghana. Na se upe capital. Enya busia, eye grant, eye sika, ye de ma se faye business. For free. Number where Edda see hoy. Ubetumi afa number no. Achire na wa freme na ma chire mu. Ye nji sika. Se o pese onye business organ na mu na one capital ubetumi aye wadwuma wo pese onye nyina. Wo kakra o pe bi dia soso aye business. Oni Ghana ni o Ghana ne beye. Freme na me chire mu. Sika ubenya no wom eye free, no commission. Yenji sika bia ubenya up to 3,000 euros for your business for free. Yenji ohwe number na me de ato no. Utumi freme na ma kyerɛkyerɛ mu yie. Na ma kyerɛ kwan a obefa so a wonsa beka sika no na wo de aye business. Enkaibo we na me di jaw. Ma bia phone na to mu so utumi frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen on the 00393923939148 ofre me a osobetumi akire wadwen on issues a ye kasa e de fa ho. Yemia Kennedy e de comment about yen kan say, why did former president constitute the reconciliation across Ghana to squash the effect of public tribunals of the excess and the brutality on the citizens? Ente ya sembisa ni bisa adente yura je kufo bedi Ghana konya ofre Ghana fo nyina se moma yenka ye hommom, even though with the tribunals ye ma bad judgment be the amanfo papa ne amanfo yerenom kogu ma bra na nye ne kwan so moma yenyira nka mom na yentwa akire mahama bedi akonya after the first the second time o si yensan enkofa tribunal semra abusia yenwe Evans ankama efre yemfa yenwe Evans ko Evans opanyini
yes abiria yeah wano kajira bisikata za mimra meji bino ma brewo na oha na omadi ajame
na me
wodi ye kasa ye program bi we pe
ye what ye what we dey dey che we dey sika
we ya na me ba na se mahama ne wo ye dey ya ka fuma o bi ba jo ni awon ya dey
o ya ku para be go ye pa na o
so me ko ya pa na Yeah, be sad day.
Yeah.
Sad day for our democracy.
Yes.
My main paper be going from Pakistan. Me Matuka.
Okay.
Now, the American United say, me be some question view.
Me too.
Oh yeah, sure say happy people. I already say power about 2028.
Ma, me dey me who dey I'm not sure, brother.
Yes, no kura dey hon ma mbani boss no kura hon ma ka kire onua. Ka kire no ka no kura kire dan fo ma sa dan fo.
Aye.
Ni happy people ye pa de. Ye social media so. O say na say no mo to abani na me follow up ntina me wo nkrofo bi a o mo contest no ma no ma ti no. I say me ntam me busy wo be na ye underground. Amanfo no mo Ghana na nkasa no enim say MPP is the only party on bit my Ghana ye. Na say no mahama na conscientize nipa no. Ama nipa no do na dra o say nya Ghana bi no na Ghana fo nyo Ghana ho bi mu. Ade ba ko en Ghana ni a wo abrochire ha. Ana say wo ba bibia wo ha no. O de tu trim no say Ghana fo do na o ma ba ne o mo system no mu ne no. O mo nwe say Ghana ne be ye ama say bi wo so na bra ba ko ye. Na mom no obi promise no maybe every month if you have 5 million na that is for Nyame.
Yeah.
And the Mahama and his brother Ibrahim Mahama they have the capacity to do that. It is anybody be a say wa no bedre. And as a wouldn't be big car, a bit my go about who be a tom. And then as of one Mahama boys, Mahama Goro boys. CSO Mahama Goro boys. Even peace council, can him say, assembly bar. Omutimeka bi ema wiase nyina usa ne amampanyin ne ye no ene omunyina dodo na gwa Mahama Goro boys nti ne Ghana ye ni peace council wo and at the same time so Mahama afa kwa bi so capture the judiciary and what capture what do you call it the military
Yes.
and the police dey say omo ya ne san kwa akura ngo omo nya bi
Oh na nkrofo yetimi kese montade a mo hye ye ba ye mo ntua ho ka bi mti mo nto aba ma ye
well MPP ni yet radio so ala say social media so they can say 4 years dey ba 2028 dey ba in fact me my policy is church na ye ka sa asem na ye ka chichire ye ka no kura chire ye because say ultimate as a party like MPP Asante region na ma ultimate and the parliament you go buy we go no. So we Asante region MP for free ma. I just automatically MP grant the whole Ghana 16 regions no. You need parliamentary candidate on 50 grampo. Asante region they contribute to the majority of our support base.
Yes.
Asante region the blazer. E mass MP paper power. O mutimi enya to me no ma baye abai. And then make catch your point black say Ghana for enjoy free education because of Asante region and part of Eastern region, Ibunga half region.
Yeah.
Make say three regions and a Western region. Yeah. These 4 regions and the Ghana for ma. Here for Mada Omugu Wale Omugu Mampugu Yoyo Omugu Ibota region. Omuenjoy free SHS. Only these 4 regions. Now MPP before to meet now. Adia charge at the ball chama wood to me. Emma never how much was it 20 years Mahama do yare. Man no not doing it. Sebio I don't like Mukano. It's not all sort memory no. Sebio Capace. Chama out to Galam. If you catch Chama out to Galam, say Is he the only person who is